How to order on Goldbelly. For this, open a browser and search for www.goldbelly.com. Now, once you are here at the very top, you will see some of the category that you can choose from. Here, you will see the option of food, outs, meal kits, restaurant, and more. You can select by region or a special occasion. As you can see in the first, there is Mother's Day. If you tap on it, you will find all of the menu option that is special for the Mother's Day or any special occasions. You can also browse through the item or restaurants or shops by tapping on the search bar right at the top. You can also go ahead and track your order by tapping on the track package once you have done with your ordering. Now, at the side of the screen, you should find such option called My Order where it will display your orders and your total payment or total amount. You can go ahead and remove an order or add an order as well. You can also add a promo code if you have any to receive any discounts possible or any other goodies. For payment, it will accept your debit or credit card, cash on delivery, and even PayPal or other application that is available in your region. Now, if you want to track your order, simply in this section, you will find the option of check the status of your order. Simply add your order number and your email address and tap on Find My Order. So go ahead and give Goldbelly a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.